So how do you remove the CapCut ending on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So inside of any of your projects, inside of CapCut, you can see at the end we have the ending, right? So you can see we have the CapCut logo right there. So in order to remove it, you can select it like this and click on the trash delete icon below, right? So it's going to be removed like that, and you can just edit your clips without the watermark. But keep in mind or pay attention to the button at the end, because you can easily click on add ending and it will make it reappear again. So make sure you don't click that. You can just delete it like this and it will not be part of your clip. Also, if you have already exported that video and if it's saved in your gallery, you can just locate it in here, click on edit, and just shorten the video from the right side of the clip to just cut out and remove the ending as well. So right, even if you already exported the video from CapCut, you can also just remove it later in the Photos app right here. So it's pretty much just that simple. There isn't really much else that you need to know about it. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching. If the video helped you out, leave a thumbs up on it to let me know. Subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.